Hello, my strong seniors. Welcome back to our 60-day fitness series. Today is day 10, and we'll do 3 simple leg exercises to improve your balance, strength, and independence. If you're new here, start from day 1, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay consistent and motivated. Exercise 1, seated leg lifts. All right, let us begin with our first exercise, seated leg lifts. This is one of the simplest and most effective exercises for strengthening your legs, improving blood circulation, and keeping your joints active. You can easily perform this exercise from the comfort of your chair, which makes it perfect for seniors who want to stay active without putting too much pressure on their knees or hips. Sit comfortably on your chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your hands on the sides of your chair for support. Now slowly lift your right leg up, hold it for a moment, and bring it back down gently. Then lift your left leg up, hold, and bring it back down. The key is to move slowly and breathe deeply. Do not rush. Feel your muscles working with each lift. This movement improves leg strength, flexibility, and blood flow. Let us do it together. Count with me from 1 to 50. Ready? Let's go. 1. Lift that right leg. 2. Switch to the left leg. 3. You are doing great. 4. Keep your back straight. 5. Wonderful form. 6. Nice and easy. 7. Keep breathing. 8. Stay strong. 9. Lift and lower slowly. 10. Excellent work. 11. You are getting stronger. 12. Keep that smile on. 13. Steady pace. 14. Focus on your balance. 15. That is it. 16. Right leg up. 17. Left leg up. 18. You are doing amazing. 19. Keep it going. 20. Half of the way to 40. 21. Lift and lower. 22. Feel that strength. 23. Do not stop now. 24. Breathe in and out. 25. Halfway done. 26. Great energy. 27. Lift higher. 28. You are doing great. 29. Stay focused. 30. Just 20 more. 31. Keep breathing. 32. Right leg strong. 33. Left leg strong. 34. Fantastic effort. 35. Only 15 left. 36. Feel your legs working. 37. Push through. 38. Almost there. 39. Wonderful rhythm. 40. Last 10. 41. Keep going. 42. Do not give up. 43. Steady movement. 44. Breathe in, breathe out. 45. You are powerful. 46. Right leg up. 47. Left leg up. 48. Strong finish. 49. Almost done. 50. And relax. Wonderful job. You have just completed 50 seated leg lifts. Take a deep breath in and slowly release it. How are you feeling so far? Tell me in the comments from which country you are watching, and let me know how your legs feel after completing this exercise. You are doing amazing. Keep going strong. Exercise 2, sit to stand. Next, we have the sit to stand exercise, a powerful move for leg, hip, and core strength. This exercise is one of the best ways to build stability, balance, and independence for daily movements like getting up from a chair or bed. It strengthens your thighs, glutes, and lower back while improving your posture. Remember, if this is your 10th day, your body is already adapting, and your legs are getting stronger with every repetition. Now, let us get ready. Place your chair behind you so it is stable and will not move. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointing forward. Rest your hands lightly on your thighs if you need extra balance. Slowly sit down, keeping your back straight, and then push through your heels to stand up tall again. Do not rush. The goal is to feel every movement. Breathe in as you sit down and breathe out as you stand up. All right, let us begin together. We will do 50 repetitions. Count out loud with me and keep your energy high. 1, sit down and stand tall. 2, smooth and steady. 3, keep your posture straight. 4, feel that strength in your legs. 5, you are doing great. 6, keep breathing evenly. 7, wonderful control. 8, push from your heels. 9, do not rush the movement. 10, excellent form. 11, sit and rise with power. 12, you are getting stronger. 13, great focus. 14, nice and slow. 15, keep your balance. 16, wonderful effort. 17, stay steady. 18, keep your chest lifted. 19, almost 1/5 done. 20, perfect rhythm. 21, push through your legs. 22, you are doing amazing. 23, breathe in and out. 24, fantastic. 25, halfway done. 26, you are strong. 27, keep that pace. 28, great determination. 29, shoulders back. 30, only 20 left. 31, smooth and strong. 32, right through the heels. 33, posture nice and tall. 34, stay focused. 35, great endurance. 36, keep that balance. 37, breathe deeply. 38, amazing work. 39, almost there. 40, just 10 more. 41, wonderful progress. 42, feel those muscles working. 43, keep moving. 44, nice and steady. 45, push and rise. 46, do not give up now. 47, your legs are strong. 48, nearly done. 49, one last time. 50, and stand tall with pride. Excellent job. You have just completed 50 sit to stand repetitions. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and shake your legs gently. You are training your body to stay mobile and independent. This movement directly helps in daily life. If this is your 10th day, you should already feel stronger, more confident, and balanced. Tell me in the comments how you feel right now, and remember to share this video with your senior friends so they can join you in becoming healthier and stronger every day. Exercise 3, heel raises. Now we are moving to our final exercise for today, heel raises. This simple yet powerful movement strengthens your calves, ankles, and feet, helping you maintain better balance and stability while walking or standing. It also improves blood circulation in your lower legs, which is essential for seniors to prevent stiffness and swelling. Remember, if this is your 10th day, your coordination and strength are improving. So let us finish strong together. Stand tall behind your chair and hold the backrest lightly for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart, your spine straight, and your gaze forward. Now gently lift your heels off the floor, rise up on your toes, hold for a moment, and slowly lower them down again. Focus on smooth control. Do not bounce. Keep your core tight, breathe deeply, and feel the strength building in your calves with every lift. All right, let us begin together. We will do 50 repetitions. Count everyone with me clearly. Do not stop, and stay proud of every move. 1, lift your heels up. 2, lower them slowly. 3, stand tall and breathe. 4, excellent balance. 5, steady movement. 6, keep your posture straight. 7, nice and easy. 8, control your motion. 9, feel your calves engage. 10, wonderful start. 11, lift with power. 12, hold and release. 13, stay steady. 14, you are doing great. 15, breathe in and out. 16, perfect control. 17, gentle up and down. 18, keep your rhythm. 19, focus on balance. 20, excellent effort. 21, halfway to 40. 22, lift your heels high. 23, lower with care. 24, keep going strong. 25, halfway done. 26, feel your calves working. 27, strong and steady. 28, nice tempo. 29, you are doing amazing. 30, only 20 left. 31, keep your body tall. 32, lift up gently. 33, great work. 34, steady breathing. 35, stay in control. 36, focus and lift. 37, almost there. 38, breathe and rise. 39, fantastic job. 40, last 10 to go. 41, keep that balance. 42, lift higher. 43, stay steady. 44, breathe in and out. 45, you are powerful. 46, nearly done. 47, strong finish. 48, keep your heels up. 49, one more time. 50, and relax. Beautiful work. You have just completed 50 heel raises. Your calves must be feeling warm and strong. Take a deep breath in, roll your shoulders gently, and shake out your legs. This exercise keeps your lower body active and prevents imbalance or falls. You have completed all 3 exercises for day 10: seated leg lifts, sit to stand, and heel raises. Share this video with your senior friends so they can join your journey to stronger, more confident movement. You are doing something amazing for your health. Keep it up, and I will see you tomorrow for day 11. Amazing effort today. You've completed day 10 of our 60-day challenge. Comment below and tell me how you're feeling after today's workout. Don't forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends. Let's stay strong together. See you tomorrow for day 11. Stay active and stay young at heart.